Hi, so today I'm craving something sweet with my coffee, but I don't want to bake anything complicated. So I decided to bake eggless chocolate muffins. Very easy, very yummy. So I'll take you through the quick recipe and let's start it. Before giving you the recipe, I want to show you a very cute thing to keep your muffins, cupcakes, which I recently bought. And this is it. See how beautiful it is. This is a tray, a marble tray, and this is the cover, and you can store your muffins in it and it will look super cute. I bought this from Best Side Home. I always love cooking with ingredients that I usually have at home, and I don't have to rush to market to buy the ingredients first and then start the cooking. And these kinds of recipes I love, where I don't have to plan a day in advance. So this is mixing all the ingredients together, and see how beautifully they come out. So right now I'm taking half cup of milk, and in this I will add a tablespoon of vinegar. We'll keep it aside for a few seconds. In this, now I will add 1/3 cup of oil. I am adding olive oil. Few drops of vanilla essence and half cup of sugar. And we'll stir it very nicely. Now I'll be adding 1 cup maida, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, pinch of baking soda, and pinch of baking powder. Now we'll stir the batter and make it very smooth. I think this is what I enjoy about baking at home. It's not really about making something perfect. It's just these little moments. Coffee, something warm from oven, and few quiet moments. I'll add choco chips in it to make it more yummy. These cupcakes are my daughter's favorite too, and every Sunday I usually bake a batch of these cupcakes, and it's a very good tiffin option also. Kids enjoy, and it's homemade, so nothing to worry about. So I'm just putting the liners in the cupcake tray. I'll take this ice cream scooper and the batter and the tray and fill the liners with it. Baking is like a therapy. It just eases your stressful mind. It's all ready to go in the oven. I have preheated the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degree and bake it at 180 degree for 20 minutes, and then we'll see the results. Till the time muffins are in the oven, let me make quick black coffee, and then we will enjoy both the things together, muffins and coffee. So come, let's make black coffee. You know, I love having black coffee. So let's make the black coffee and we will enjoy it with muffins today. Yummy! how beautiful they look. And these are the warm moments I look forward in a day. Freshly baked muffin with hot coffee. What more you need? Do try the recipe and just let me know if you like it. It's super yummy.